My name is Katie Jennings. I'm a school bus monitor, and this is my Mehlville story. So as a bus monitor, I make sure that all kids are buckled in safely. Some kids do need help buckling in, which I assist them with that. I also help the child on and off the lift, make sure that his chair is secure on the bus, and just make sure that everyone is behaving and doing what their role is on the bus as a good student. What I like most about the job as a bus monitor is being with the kids in the morning and the afternoon, making sure that they're safe and secure throughout the whole route, and assisting them and getting on and off the bus, and just seeing their smiling faces after school. They're ready to go home, but really just enjoying the kids the most. So I've always wanted to work in the Mehlville School District. I do have a son in the district, and I live in the community, and I feel like living in the community and having a son here, I need to be more part of the community by working here and putting in as much effort as I can in some way into the Mehlville School District. The office staff here in transportation is wonderful, very accommodating. They're fun to work with. Everyone in the transportation department is fun to work with. We get to know each other pretty well, and the camaraderie that we share with each other and being with the kids is what's most important. I think it's a very rewarding job to be a bus monitor at Mehlville. Simply just seeing those kids every day and seeing how excited the younger kids are ready to go to school in the morning, and seeing how excited high school kids are ready to get home in the afternoon. It's just very rewarding, and it just kind of gives you a new perspective on things, and like the student eye.